Let me show you. I'm gonna roll the time lapse. Oscar got us a second radiator in here. So probably not exactly while the boat was sinking, but during the boat sinkage and stuff, I was out working on the boat. Oscar was back here, and he was working on this radiator. This is a Alloyworks radiator. It actually comes off of a Honda Civic, and Oscar did an amazing job modifying it to work with our Murcielago. So if we walk over to this radiator over here, this thing and the fan unit cost like $2,500, give or take, like used. And Oscar was able to, Alloyworks radiators, they use good aluminum. So Oscar could weld into the aluminum. And so we made some modifications to it. We made it a dual pass. So you could see that the inlet and the outlet are on the same way. So you put a channel right there, you put a block in there, and then the fluid has to go in here, up and back around to get out. Then we also welded a bung onto the top there so it could integrate with all the Lamborghini's happiness and all that good stuff. So they actually sent us extras to do both sides, but that one has an integrated transcooler in it, so we couldn't do that. But thank you to Alloyworks for sending us out these radiators. I'll put a link in the description. It's very economically priced stuff that we've used on 2 builds now, and we've had very good success, so I'm pretty happy with it. Links in the description. Thanks, Alloyworks. Now we have 2 extras of those, probably to integrate into the single-seater when I want to change the cooling system from what I have right now.